Welcome to another monthly installation of tips, tricks, and techniques with the Mimaki's applications team. I'm Hugo Gonzalez. This month, I'm going to be showing you a simple application that nearly every restaurant can use. I'm going to be printing on 3A Composites Eclipse styrene to create signage for the A-frame sign. Since I'm printing a single customized board, I'll first be cutting down the board to make handling a little bit easier. One of the boards will then be laminated with chalkboard vinyl on one side, and then I'll be direct printing both of them on the high production, high quality LED UV flatbed, the JFX600. Let's check it out.
The first side is straightforward. The ad contains the customer logo and an appealing image of their bestseller along with the price. For this one, I'll just make sure that there's enough bleed to easily align an edge-to-edge print. I've also centralized the artwork a little because there will be a 1/2 inch frame along the edge. When saving for a print, be sure to save the highest resolution possible. To create the chalkboard side, I first took the logo and created outlines, and then I turned everything white. Once I saved it, I imported it into Photoshop. Here I'm going to be working with a black background so that I can see what the final print will look like. To start, I converted this to grayscale just to be sure that I'm limiting all of the data to one channel. To create the chalk effect, I started with a few image and style filters. I used a drop shadow filter to smooth the edges a little bit. And then I added noise paired with find edges style filters, which gave me this base to work with. I then added curves adjustment layer to enhance the density of the resulting image. To finish the design with a unique handmade look, I selected the outlines of the original logo. And then I used a low opacity charcoal brush to fill in the parts of the logo by hand. I applied the same method to the text. I started with the base font, I applied all of the filters, and then did the hand brush detailing. Once you're happy with the look, invert all of it and save it as a flattened TIFF for easier handling. I'll load the image into Rasterlink and double click it to arrange it on the bed. Remember, this one has a slight bleed, so it's a little larger than the 24 by 36 inches. To run the most efficient print, be sure to turn the images to their longest dimension along the bottom edge. I will be taping the edges to keep the table clean. In the Quality tab, I'll be selecting a 600 by 600 resolution. And the inkjet matte profile works well with this matte surface. So we'll be printing 600 by 600 4-pass bi-directional. From here, I can go ahead and start rip and print. The JFX is unique in that it has an interface that is separate from Rasterlink. This means that not only can you save many more jobs, but you don't have to keep them in Rasterlink. You can store printed jobs on a server database that communicates directly with the JFX600. Jobs that are sent to print are stored as color separations, along with an XML file that contains the print data and a thumbnail for easy identification. For the chalkboard, we'll start the same way with positioning. Again, in the interest of efficiency, I'll print with the longest dimension along the bottom. In this case, since I'm only printing this portion, that means the top edge of the board is the longest edge of the print. I'll go ahead and choose the same 6x600 matte surface profile. Once I'm done choosing the profile and resolution, I will select the monocolor replacement to exchange the black channel data to white ink. And that's all I have to do for this file. I'll just rip and print. At 600 by 600 4-pass, the production speed quality of the JFX600 is an exceptional value. Please be sure to visit our website for more information. Thank you to our media partners, 3A Composites, for the media used in this video. And thank you for watching. If you have any comments or application suggestions, please feel free to contact us at applications@mimaki.com. And please be sure to follow and subscribe, or visit our resources page for the latest product and application videos.